Learn how to never run out of YouTube titles next. Hey guys, it's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about something that can help out a lot of people. Now, if you've been watching my channel, anytime it comes to talking about how to promote anything, your business, or getting leads, I usually talk about YouTube, right? I always tell people, get on YouTube, right? But a lot of times people say, yeah, cool, yeah, I'm going to get on YouTube, great. But then once they get on it, they do a couple videos, and then they say, well, I have nothing else to talk about. You know, I said I want to, I teach people how to train a dog. I did 2 how to train a dog videos. That's pretty much all I got. I'm tapped out. Listen, there should never be a reason that you can sit back and say, I have no YouTube video ideas. I can't come up with any titles, right? There's no excuse. If you, no matter what niche you're in, market you're in, you should always have content available. Always, right? There's too many ideas out there. So I'm going to give you 3, somebody texted me. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can always come up with YouTube titles, and good YouTube titles, all right? First thing, I actually wrote them down, but I got them memorized. First thing, maybe you heard of this, maybe you haven't, but it's doing the actual YouTube search. That's when you go to YouTube and you start to type in a search, you know, how to train a dog, right? Once you type that in, you'll see all of these suggested, you know, keywords and everything, all these phrases. So you'll see, you start typing in how to train a dog, and then you'll see how to train a dog today, how to train a dog in 24 hours, how to train, and you see all of these different phrases. Boom, those are title ideas. You want to take those phrases, right, and use them and surround them with cool adjectives and descriptive words and everything like that, and that should be the subject, the title of your next video or your next 10 videos, right? You want to, then another thing you can do is which I think this is the ultimate way to never run out of video titles, is when you do that search, how to train a dog, then start typing the next letter. So how to train a dog, and then hit the B button next, and then it'll say how to train a dog by tomorrow, how to train a dog, best way to do it, and you're going to get all of these words that start with a B, right? Tons and tons of words. Then you could do that for every alphabet, every letter in the damn alphabet. So how to train a dog, space, hit the C button. I actually did the C. Then you'll get, you know, how to train a dog currently, how to train a dog, I can't think of C words, how to train a dog curiously. I don't know, but you'll get all of these keyword ideas, right? Super effective, guys. The second way you can come up with is a software that I use called Traffic Extractor. This is very, very powerful and very helpful. No, it is not a free method. It is an actual software that you got to install on your computer, but it's well worth it. What you do is you type in the keyword. I'm just using dog training for this video, but how to train a dog. You would type that into the software, all right? Then the software is going to actually go into YouTube. It's going to dive into YouTube, and it's going to give you any criteria that you select. So far as competition, keyword phrases, keyword phrase ideas, it's going to give you search volume. It's going to break it down and show you, you know, how many comments videos have. So this is great for if you want to get direct traffic and you actually want to outrank other videos, which most people want to do. This actually really comes in handy, mainly because it gives you a ton of keyword phrases, and you want to take the same approach like you did with the first tip. Take these keyword phrases and just add to them. You know what I mean? Like, keep those keywords in the title of your video. Preferably, you want to use them keywords at the beginning of the titles that you create. So Traffic Extractor, I believe Either it's 37 or 47 bucks, one-time fee. It's not a recurring thing or anything like that, but I use the software and it really do come in handy. And keep in mind, you can use this for any niche. You could type in, you know, how to stop smoking. You could type that into the software, give your criteria and everything for, you know, your competition. This is a great way to dominate, you know, your little niche, right? So you can just create these videos that you pretty much know you're going to rank for, and then you could just keep ramming it up if you want. So definitely something you want to check out. Of course, link in the description of this video if you want to check out Traffic Extractor. Super inexpensive and very, very helpful. Now the last tip, guys, super easy, and I'm giving you this tip because my sister just started a YouTube channel for the Fit Mom, and I was talking to her today on the phone, and I was telling her, like, she was like, well, what video should I do? And I told her, I said, you know what you need to do? Put yourself in the viewer position, right? Ask yourself, if you were to look something up on YouTube, what would you ask about the Fit Mom? What would you ask if you had a badass dog that you wanted to train? What would you type in to YouTube? Now, I know this kind of goes against the grain a little bit because a lot of YouTube internet marketers and anything, they teach you do not create content based around things that aren't already searched, right? That's what they tell you. Make sure there's search volume. Well, I do agree with that. You should do that 90% of the time, right? Make your content based around what people are searching for. But what if you come up with ideas or titles or things that you would search for, but what about no one's searching for it now? But what if a month from now someone has the same idea you got and they type that same phrase that you typed, you thought of? Who video gonna pop up? Right? Whose video gonna pop up? Yours. So I feel like sometimes, I would say down, I don't know, 80 to 90% of the time, stick with keywords that people are searching for. But hey, out of 10 videos, maybe 2 of them, 1 or 2 of them, just go to your own thought process, because you never know what someone might search for in the future. With your idea, I can't talk, damn it. Your idea could be a highly searched keyword term 6 months from now, and you're going to get all the traffic from that. So, you know, these are 3 tips, guys. Use YouTube search. You can also use Traffic Extractor, and damn it, use your own brain, right? If you do that, you will never run out of YouTube title ideas, YouTube video ideas. You should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out. Also, if you want to find out what I'm doing to make money online, and a great course and a platform that can make you some serious income, check it out. Link in the description. And you should be good to go, guys, if you're trying to make that full-time income online. Check it out. Be sure to comment and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.